as you know, water is life. Water is currency. Oftentimes when I am, and I'm an entrepreneur, so this, entrepreneurism goes like this, especially in today's climate. I often have moments of panic and like money is tight, da 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 da. And I remember I am the mover. I am the source. Source moves through me. So I get on my colonic table and I surrender. And I allow that water to hit points in my body where it is most holding, most resistance, most like air. And I get in there and I just let the water move through me and I breathe and I surrender. And at that moment of, the answer comes. I'm grateful.